Efficient sewer systems are crucial for keeping our living spaces clean, safe, and free from disease. They remove waste and wastewater and support the quality of life for people in homes, at businesses, and in communities. Septic tank servicers and sewer pipe cleaners are employed by both public works departments and private companies to clean and repair septic tanks, sewer lines, and drains. They inspect manholes to find problems in a sewer line and run sewer cleaning equipment to clear out stoppages. They also repair breaks in underground piping and may install water mains and fire hydrants. Public health departments may require sewer pipe cleaners to collect samples from sewer systems and report on their findings. Servicers and cleaners drive trucks to haul crews and equipment to work sites. They may use shovels and other hand tools to dig out sewer lines or maintain the area around pump or lift stations. Communication is an important part of these jobs, with supervisors and coworkers to clarify details and troubleshoot on the job or with customers, to explain services or gather information. Septic tank servicers and sewer pipe cleaners typically need a high school diploma or equivalent.